Did you know that you can be a millionaire just by buying NIO shares in 2021? If you want to know the answer, make sure to watch this video until the end. Hello, future billionaires. Welcome to Stock Investing 101, the channel where you get stock inspiration, motivation, and knowledge to become the next future billionaire. Investing in the best stocks over the long term can indeed make you very rich. And one of the most excellent candidates to make you wealthy includes NIO. Because NIO is much more than a car company. There's a lot that people don't know about this company yet. Known as the Chinese Tesla, based in Shanghai, it's an electrical vehicle maker founded by William Li in 2014. It's one of the publicly traded companies at the forefront of EV revolution. The relatively low NIO share price attracts investors as it makes it a viable alternative for investors with small portfolios. This stock has got a potential of 5 times or even 10 times over the coming few years. Buckle up, and we're here to help you be a millionaire with NIO shares. NIO is standing firm. It might not be as great as Tesla yet, or we cannot say NIO is the next Tesla, because we all know Tesla is the leader in EV space. However, NIO is definitely standing strong. NIO has a product, electric cars, which are here to stay, and has got customers, which are the 2 crucial elements for a successful business. There are many reasons why NIO shares will make you millions. So let's look at the 5 major reasons why NIO shares can make you a millionaire. Number 1. Increasing delivery numbers and increasing margins. Quarterly basis, NIO jumped from 3,838 vehicle deliveries in the first quarter of 2020 to 12,206 in Q3, representing a substantial increase of 154%. That is remarkably impressive, mostly since that figure was just about 4,800 in Q3 the previous year. According to Barron's, CEO William Li said NIO should reach a year-end production capacity of 150,000 vehicles by the end of 2021. And looking even further, Li hopes the firm could even multiply that number. Thus, if NIO can maintain its growth and reform, it seems nothing is stopping NIO stock from going higher. On the 14th of October, JP Morgan upgraded NIO to overweight from neutral and tripled its share price target to $40 from just $14. Also, the Citigroup has upgraded from neutral to buy. 133% of year-over-year growth was also recorded in September of 2020. As of the 30th of September 2020, cumulative deliveries of the ES8, ES6, EC6 reached over 58,000 vehicles, of which 26,375 were delivered this year. In Q2, vehicle margin was 9.7%, compared with negative 24.1% in Q2 of 2019 and negative 7.4% in the Q1 of 2020. The gross margin was 8.4%, compared with the negative 33% in Q2 of 2019 and negative 12.2% in the Q1 of 2020. These margins will increase as the company works to store and operate profit, and we can expect a double-digit gross margin by the end of this year. NIO's president thinks that it should achieve profitability within the next 1 or 2 years. Number 2. Battery swap, battery as a service, and full autonomy. Back on the 20th of August, NIO launched Battery as a Service. Basically, it allows you to purchase electric vehicles and then subscribe to the usage of battery packs separately. If you opt to buy an EV car from NIO and then individually subscribe to the battery packs' use, you get a deduction off the original price and pay a monthly subscription fee for the battery pack. It's enabled because of the chargeable, swappable, and upgradable batteries. Undoubtedly, NIO's Battery as a Service is a breakthrough innovation. Customers can save $10,000 up to 20% off the original vehicle price. The starting cost is just $145 per month, and it's a two-way bridge as it's beneficial for the customers and the company. NIO has currently set up 140 battery swap stations in China, and it has more than 1,200 patents related to battery swapping and has completed more than 800,000 swaps. NIO has announced a strategic collaboration with an Israeli-based automotive sensor company, Mobileye, to develop autonomous vehicles that consumers can buy. They aim to bring highly automated and autonomous vehicles to consumer markets in China and other major territories. Number 3. NIO's popularity in China. NIO has got a cult-like following in China, which has led the customer referral rate to increase from 52% in 2019 to 62% in the first half of 2020. Investors are attracted to this kind of stock due to its high potential in the market and the product's demand. Products like these don't need to spend millions on advertisement. For example, Tesla. It's definitely because of the number of referrals. Their fans who believe that this company could take you to the moon will not think twice to refer them. Instead of advertisements, they usually prefer referral programs because of those who would be willing to refer their friends because of the quality of the product and brand. Just like Tesla, Airbnb also has its growth attributed to referrals. Referrals are more effective than people realize because it lets you reach outside your traditional user base, and most of the time, the company need not bear any cost. That said, a reasonable referral rate is significant for the company's growth, and NIO users do love the product. If they too roll a referral program, their popularity will take a road up for sure. Number 4. It's a lifestyle brand. NIO is much more than a car company. NIO designs not just electric vehicles, but also develops a lifestyle. NIO is a lifestyle brand. Apple is another lifestyle brand because it knows that having products representing its consumers' emotions and identity is compelling. People not only want the Apple brand, but want to belong to the Apple family. Buying an electric car is a lifestyle choice, and when you make that choice with NIO, you get access to the lifestyle. You get access to NIO family, including the NIO houses. If you have or have pre-ordered NIO, you get access to a select club where you can take meetings, work, socialize, or attend different functions. At the moment, NIO is building a network of these NIO houses all over China. One of the specialties is that some of them even have a concierge service. If you need your car serviced or your car charged, all you need to do is take it to them while you're at work or at a meeting, and they will come back to you once it's over. Basically, NIO is not just selling cars, but a vision, mission, and a feeling for belonging to the NIO family. And last, number 5. NIO is planning to expand. Currently, NIO is only operating in China, and they haven't expanded to the world, and they already have many advantages in their hands. China's vehicle market is projected to grow from around $74 billion in 2018 to $330 billion in 2024, and that is a compound annual growth rate of over 28%. NIO is taking full advantage of the opportunity in the EV market. The China market is going to continue to multiply. By all means, NIO is the leader in China in the EV market. Europe is one of the prospective markets NIO has been considering very seriously. They could launch in any European country in 1 to 2 years. There are some lower-hanging fruits in courses of other markets, for example, Asian nations around China. Europe is also a mature market equal with China. Brand loyalty amongst car buyers in Europe is relatively rigid. It will take time for the EV segment to grow. However, once the brand catches up, they can build plants themselves there. NIO's financial condition is improving after the debt and liquidity fears slammed shares. NIO is paring losses while delivering massive top-line growth. The outlook for NIO sales and overall electric car sales in China is robust, while an expansion in Europe promises more runway for growth. No investment works without risk. Be financially responsible, do some research of your own, consult a good financial investor, and hope for luck to be on your side. However, so far, the EV market has shown us some good results, and we are hoping for better. With the current status, the company is going in the right way on an upward road, and we can expect to make 10-time profits with the shares that are bought now. That means in no time, these shares can make you millions of dollars. If you'd like to stay up to date with the best and latest content about stocks and entrepreneurship, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like on this video. Did you find this video valuable, or do you want to add anything? Make sure to let us know in the comment section down below. We are posting a new video every day with the most undervalued stocks in the market right now.